Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Ratios and Proportions 3, Number Quantities 1C, the percent per equation, and it's number 3 example. And so let's write this down here. This example would be 13 is 26% of what number? Okay, so let's turn this into some math here. And we know that 13 is the same thing as equal to. And 26%, we have that percent of what number means to multiply by x. Because what number is x? So let's rewrite it. 13 equals 26. And let's take care of this right away. We can divide by 100. So it's 0.26 and multiply by x. You get that. I'll clean that up. 13 equals 2600x. Well, we are solving an equation, so we're going to look on the x side, and x is being multiplied by 0.26, so we're going to divide it by 0.26 on both sides, because it's an equation. You need to keep both sides the same, so we can scratch that. And so we can say x, I'm just going to flip this around, 13 divided by 0.26. And I come up here and finish that. So x is 13, and that's 0.26. So let's divide that, because I want it into a decimal, and 13. And I really want you to pay attention to this, because some of you may be struggling on division. So we have a decimal outside, and we need to multiply outside by 100. And if we do that, we have to multiply this one by 100, or move the decimal place 2 places, because you're really multiplying by 100. So let's go through some division. 26 goes into 1, it doesn't. 26 goes into 13, it doesn't. 26 goes into 130, well, it does. Actually, it goes 5 times evenly. 26 times 5 is 130. So we're going to subtract that, and we get 0, but we still have a place marker here. So let's put a 0 in there, because it is x equals 50. So what that is saying, x equals 50, but let's put the whole sentence together. So it's going to be 13 equals 26% of 50. Okay, so that's about a quarter. 13 is about a quarter, because we estimated that at a quarter, and so that makes sense. So x equals 50 here, and put it back into the equation to make sure it makes sense. Thank you.